Good day, everyone. So today we will discuss about the price elasticity of supply. So when we say price elasticity of supply, no, sinusukat natin dito yung bahagdan ng pagbabago ng quantity supply sa tuwing may pagbabago sa presyo. So alamin natin ano kaya yung nagiging response ng mga supplier o producer sa tuwing may pagbabago ng presyo. Gaano kaya kataas ang percentage ng pagbabago ng presyo at gaano kaya kataas ang percentage ng pagbabago ng supply sa isang produkto na naisipagbili ng mga producer or supplier. So, makukuha natin ito sa pamamagitan ng formula. Susundin lamang po natin yung formula. No? So, makukuha natin ito sa dalawang paraan. Una is yung long method, pangalawa is the short one. So, umpisa natin sa mas mahabang paraan. So para makuha natin yung elasticity of supplies using the long method, we need to get the percentage change of quantity supplied o bahagdan ng pagbabago ng QS divided by the percentage change of price o the bahagdan ng pagbabago ng P. No, so yung ES stands for the Q. ES stands for elasticity of supply. No, so percent triangle QS o yung triangle kasi na-represent yung change. So percent change QS is bahagdan ng pagbabago ng QS o percentage change of QS and percentage change of price. So para makuha natin yung percentage change of QS, we need to get the QS2 minus QS1 divided by the QS2, QS1 plus QS2 divided by 2 times by multiplied by 100, and the percentage change of price is P2 minus P1 divided by the P1 plus P2 divided by 2 multiplied by 100. So para mas maintindihan natin, no, let's give some example. Right. So say for example, ang given value natin is P1 is equals to 10, P2 is equals to 15. QS is equals to 31, QS2 is equals to 50. Now, we need to get the price elasticity of supply gamit yung formula na to. So para makuha natin yung elasticity of supply, we need to get first the value of the percentage change of QS. No, ito muna, no? And the percentage change of price, and panghuli na po sa elasticity of supply. So unahin natin is yung una, which is the percentage change of QS. No? So yan, para kita pa rin. Ayan. So para makuha natin yung percentage change of QS, so first, we need to get, no, siguro i-rewrite na lang natin yung formula, no. So yeah, para mabilis. Percent change of QS is equals to QS2 minus QS1 divided by QS1 plus QS2 divided by 2 times 100. Now, since we have the formula, pwede na po nating i-substitute yung value. So, according sa ating given, no, ang QS2 po natin is 50. So, pwede nating i-substitute ito dito and si QS1 ay dito. So, magiging siyang 50 So, magiging siyang 50 and ang QS1 minus 30 divided by QS1 is 30 plus 50 divided by 2. So almost the same din ito dun sa price elasticity of demand. So multiply by 100. So unahin muna natin yung fraction sa ibaba o dun sa denominator. So we need to simplify it first para hindi tayo malito step by step. So 50 minus 30 divided by 80, no, 30 plus 50 plus 80 divided by 2 times 100. So the answer is 50 minus 30. Simplify natin yung fraction pa rin, no? So magiging siyang 40, diba? 80 divided by 2 is equals to 40 multiplied by 100. So 50 minus 30 is equals to 20 divided by 40 times 100. So the answer is um, 20 divided by 40. The answer is, using your calculator, is 0.5. So 0.5 times 100 is equals to 50. No, 50%. So, ibig sabihin po, ang percentage change of QS natin is equals to 50. So, pwede na nating ilagay sa taas yung value ni percentage change of QS. Yan, no? So, the answer here is 50%. Now, pwede naman natin makuha na yung percentage change of prices. So, number 2. So, tandaan natin yung given, 10 and 15. So, i-write lang natin yung formula. So, sa number 2, no? So, number 2 is, step 2 pala is, percentage change of P is equals to P2 minus P1 divided by P1 plus P2 divided by 2 multiplied by 100. So, substitute lang natin yung given value. So, again, no, batay sa given kanina, no, we just want to recall P1 is 10 and P2 is 15. So pwede na natin substitute. So, ang P2 po natin is 15 minus P1 is 10 divided by P1 plus P2, 10 plus 15 divided by 2, multiplied by 100. So, again, we need to simplify the fraction in the denominator before we proceed into the division. Right. No, so next. 15 minus 10 is equals to 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 100. So again, yung fraction mo nasa denominator. So 15 minus 10 is equals to 12.5 times 100 multiplied by 100. So 15 minus 10 is 5 divided by 12.5 is, the answer is, so using your calculator, the answer is 0.4. So 0.4 multiplied by 100. So the answer is, move lang po natin yan ng 2 decimal since dalawa yung 0, no, ng 100. So 2 decimal point is, the answer is 40%. So ibig sabihin, ang percentage change of price natin is 40%. So we can now write it on the top. So 40%. Oops, sobra. So equals to 40%. Now, since we have already the value of the percentage change of QS and the percentage change of price, we can now solve the elasticity of supply. So again, elasticity of supply is the percentage change of QS, no, divided by the percentage change of price. So substitute lang natin ito. Okay, sorry. We need to substitute here and we need to substitute here. So the answer is 50%, 50% divided by 40% to get the elasticity of supply. So equals to, using your own calculator, 50 divided by 40 is equals to 1.25. So again, the absolute value of 1.25 still is 1.25. So elasticity of supply is equals to 1.25. So now, this is the long method. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang haba ng method. So now, paano naman natin i-solve kapag short method lang? So let's try. So yung process po ng short method is almost the same din sa short method na ginamit natin, no, sa ating price elasticity of demand. So try natin yung short method. So, oops. Ayan, no? So para makuha natin yung short method, no, elasticity of supply is equals to the change of QS divided by the change of price times the sum of price divided by the sum of QS. So, paano natin siya makukuha? So, the change of QS is equals to QS2 minus QS1. The change of price is equals to uh, is equals to the P2, no, yung pangalawang price minus P1, and the sum of P, of course, pag-add lang natin, P1 plus P2, and the sum of QS is equals to QS1 plus QS2. Now, so again, ang ating given is P1, yung example natin is 10, P2 is equals to 15, QS1 is equals to 30, QS2 is equals to 50. So, let's try kung pareho lang yung magiging sagot. So, mapapansin natin, mas maiksi itong formula. So, now, since we have already the given and we have the formula, we just need to substitute. So, i-rewrite po muna yung formula no, para mas maintindihan natin. ES is equals to change QS divided by the change of price times the sum of P divided by the sum of QS. So QS2 minus QS1 divided by P2 minus P1 multiplied by P1 plus P2 divided by QS1 plus QS2. So we just need to substitute the given value. So QS2 is a substitute natin dito, QS1. Yan. So P2 and P1. So QS2 natin is 50 minus QS1 is 30. Divided by P2 natin is 15 minus P1 is 10. Times P1 natin is 10. P2 natin is plus 15. Divided by P1 natin ay QS1 natin is 30 plus 50. So now we can now simplify it. So kapag simplify na po natin ito, no? So 50 minus 20 is equals to so dito na 15 minus 20 50 minus 30 is equals to 20 divided by 15 minus 10 is equals to 5. Multiply by 10 plus 15 is 25 divided by 30 plus 50 is equals to 80. So simplify lang po. 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 25 using your own calculator divided by 80 is equals to 0.3125. So now, pwede na natin siyang i-multiply. So kapag minultiply po natin siya, no, po, using your calculator, 4 times 0.3125 is equals to 1.25. So elasticity of supply is equals to 1.25. So ang absolute value po niya is still 1.25. So pareho kaya nung nakuha natin kanina. Let's recall. Ayan, no? So kung makikita nyo po, pareho lang. So mas maiksi talaga sa short method. Okay, so now, from that value, the question is, ano kaya interpretation natin? No? Ano masasabi natin? Anong uri ba ng elasticidad ng demand ay ng supply yung nakuha nating value? So, to discuss it, ito po. So, meron po tayong tatlong uri ng elasticity of supply o tinatawag nating price elasticity of supply. So, una is yung elastic. Kapag nakuha nating value ay mas mataas sa 1, ang tawag po natin doon ay elastic. So, ibig sabihin, ang bahagdan ng pagbabago ng supply ay mas mataas sa bahagdan ng pagbabago ng presyo. Ibig sabihin, kapag may 1% na tumaas ang presyo, mas mahigit sa 1% ang pagbabago sa supply. Ibig sabihin, mas madali pong nakakatugon ng producer. Kapag nalaman nilang tumaas ang presyo, madali silang nakakalikha kaagad ng produkto o nakapaglalabas ng produkto sa oras na may mataas na presyo. So halimbawa nito na madaling malikhang produkto is yung manufactured goods. Pag sinabi naman nating inelastic is mas mababa sa 1 yung nakuha nating elasticity of supply. Ibig sabihin, ang bahagdan ng pagbabago ng supply ay mas mababa sa bahagdan ng pagbabago ng presyo. So kapag tumaas ng 1% ang presyo ng isang produkto, ang pagbabago ng supply ay mas mababa pa sa 1%. So ibig sabihin, hindi gaano madaling malikha ang produkto, no? Makailangan ng mahabang panahon na kinakailangan ng supplier o producer upang makatugon sa pagbabago ng presyo o dun sa pangangailangan ng mga mamimili. Pangatlo ng uri naman is yung unitary o unit elastic. So ibig sabihin po nito, no, pag unitary o unit elastic, ang elasticity of supply po natin ay ang katumbas nito ay equals to 1. So, ibig sabihin, sa kada 1% ng pagbabago ng presyo, ay may 1% o bahagdan din ng pagbabago ng supply. Yan. So, balikan natin yung nakuha nating value, no, ng supply. Kung pareho yung nakuha na, kung tukuyin natin kung anong uri ito na elasticity. Yan, no? So kung makikita natin, no, ang ating value na nakuha is 1.25. So ibig sabihin, ang 1.25 po ay, no, greater than 1. So ito po ay masasabi nating elastic. So ibig sabihin, mas mataas, no, mas mataas ang bahagdan ng pagbabago ng supply kumpara sa bahagdan ng pagbabago ng presyo. Ibig sabihin, madaling nakatugon yung supplier sa pagtaas o pagbaba ng presyo. So madali siya nakalikha ng produkto o karagdagang produkto para mas marami siyang maging income o maging kita. So I hope may natutunan po tayo sa aming lesson natin today. So thank you and see you soon.